Oh girl, why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta hang up on me, then you go right back? How you compare me to the that you gave your heart to? Probably cause you ain't used to someone being on for you. You the MVP, baby, you the plug, you the one I take home to mama. You know I pull up when you holler. Make you better, make sure you ain't f***ing up. Love it when you talk that shit, thank you slick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Monique here, and I am back with another video. So this video is going to be different. It's a chit chat video, but I'm not getting ready or anything. I'm not doing my makeup or anything. I just wanted to talk really. So yeah. This is just a chit chat video. So if you guys want to listen to me talk about how everything's been going, then keep on watching this video. So it's been a while, guys. Like, I haven't uploaded a video in like over a week now, and that is a long time for me. You know, I have been being really consistent with uploading. Like, I was uploading at least like every 3 days, you know, and like now it's like getting less and less, and I don't like that. I want to stay consistent and, you know, keep engaging with you guys. So reasoning behind that, of course, is school, nursing school. Not that I underestimated it, but like I thought I had, you know, maybe a little bit of time, you know, to film and stuff, but honestly I don't. Like, it's not even that. It's not even just filming. It's filming and then editing and then uploading and, you know, and promoting and all that. So yeah, this is why you're getting a video like a week, more than a week later. So this video is probably gonna go up really late because I am filming this late at night. And so yeah, guys. Yeah, I brought out the curly hair, you know. Brought out some curly hair today. But yeah, and I want to talk about this shirt. This shirt is from Kelly Sweet's clothing line. If you guys know Kelly, if you guys don't know Kelly Sweet, like where have you been? If you watch beauty videos, you know, and stuff like that, then you know Kelly Sweet, and this is from her clothing line, Boss Babe, and, you know, had to cop me a little cute outfit. So congratulations, Kelly, on your line. This shirt is so cute. I love yellow. And then, you know, got the little stripes, checkerboard stripes. I think this is really cute. But anyways, yeah, that's a shirt. And excuse me. So yeah, guys, let me give you a little update. So I am going into my 5th week now of nursing school. And, you know, so far it's been going pretty well. You know, I'm just trying to stay on top of things, stay organized, and, you know, get my work done. So I just need to let you guys know that if you're not seeing a video, you know, 1 week or a couple weeks, honestly, it possibly could be a month. I really don't want that to happen, but if it does, just understand, you know, that I'm grinding and working hard and studying. So yeah, understand that from you guys. Please understand. But I'm gonna try to get a video to you guys at least. I can't even give you guys a time frame, honestly. Like, just keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting, and letting me know what videos you guys want to see, so that when I do have time to film, that I know what to film. Because that's another issue as well, y'all. I don't know what to film. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm losing my motivation to film because I don't know what to film. So if you guys gave me some suggestions, ideas, and stuff in the comments, that would be great. I do have another hair review. Hair video, hairstyling video coming soon, so look out for that. But other than that, like, I don't know what else. I need ideas, guys. But yeah, that's really all that's been on my plate this past week or so. And I got like a little sticky note because I wrote down like what I needed to talk about, and still it's really nothing. But yeah, like, I'm just trying to stay motivated to get these videos out to you guys, because honestly it does take time. Like, it's really not easy to just film a video and edit it and upload it, and I have to like it. If I don't like the video, I'm not gonna put it out. I want to be proud of the work that I'm putting out, you know. So if I don't like the video, I'm not gonna put it out. But I'm not really doing a lot of makeup videos, More towards the fall I will, but right now it's hot. I'm not. No, I don't feel like it, you know. And I'm working on my skin, guys. I need my skin to be fire. Like, what is this? What is that? So yeah. I don't know what else. That's really the issue. The video ideas, you know, the motivation. That's the problem. That's like what's, you know. And then, you know, of course, I'm in school, so that's always my first priority. School's always gonna be my, you know, my top priority, and then YouTube. So understand that for me, please understand. I know it's been a while, but you know, I'm gonna get back into the groove of things, you know. Leave a little motivation in the comments down below, and that would be great. And yeah, I just want to make this little quick video to let you guys know what's going on. So this, I won't drag it on to be any longer, you know. Just want to give you guys an update, you know. School, just been doing school, studying, grinding hard, and excuse me. And yeah, oh yeah, I gotta mention this. So in my, was it my last video? I don't remember honestly, but I was doing my hair and I was asking about like an edge control, because I told you guys that I was using this ORS edge control, and I was like, excuse me, like this is like not good for me. Like it doesn't do me any justice for my edges, like it doesn't. So I you know, I asked you guys like what suggestions you had, and one of my subscribers suggested this right here. Is called She Is Bomb. It's by She Is Bomb collection, and it's fast drying edge control for relaxed and natural hair. And y'all, like I've been using this every day, and it is amazing, and it smells good. Like, open it up. It smells so good. I can't even describe how it smells, but it smells really good. And you know, I've been using it, and it looks like it's not black. It's because the container is black, but it's clear. And it's like the consistency isn't like it's not like rough. Like, how do I explain it? Like this one is like really, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like really thick, and like if you guys have edge control whatever like this, then you know what I'm talking about. But this one is like really, this is really smooth, and I was not expecting that. It's like a nice smooth consistency, and you know, just get a little bit, put on your edges, grab your edge brush, and you just lick it. Like this is really, really good. So you know what, I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on my edges. I think there's a video idea right there, so I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you to her for this, for telling me about this. It's really amazing. So you know, you guys check it out. I'll leave it in the description box where I got this from. And yeah, like it's non-greasy, non-sticky, non-flaking, and it really is long lasting. Like it lasts the whole day, like the whole day. And I don't even have to tie down my edges when I put this on. Like, what? It's really great. So excuse me, sorry. So I advise you guys check this out. But yeah, and wow, now that I get towards the end of the video, when I'm about to end it, then I come up with all these things in my head. I have to tell you guys a little story time. It's kind of funny. You know, I was driving home from school this week I was driving home from school, and you know, I'm driving whatever, and this person next to me, they're like keep beeping, or whatever, they keep beeping, and I'm like thinking that, you know, they might be beeping the person in front of them, they might be moving too slow for them, and they're like, you know, beep beep, can you speed it up or whatever. But you know, I'm driving and the person's still beeping, so I'm like, okay, like what's the problem, what's going on? Get to the stoplight, I'm stopped, that person is stopped, still beeping their horn. So I'm like, okay, I look over I look over, and this person is like, wind your window down, motioning for me to wind the window down. I'm like, okay. I'm thinking something is like up with the car, like, maybe like, is the light not working? Is my gas tank open? Like, what's the problem? Like, I'm thinking something is going on, and you trying to tell me. So I roll down my window. This person rolls down their window. This guy goes,
I'm wondering, can I have your number? Can I have your number?
No,
Boy, if you don't get...
I'm sorry.
Oh, no, 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 no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me.